That's right, Dylan. Definitely going to want to make sure you're practicing heat safety all day today and all day tomorrow as that dangerous heat is about to take over. Speaking of, an excessive heat warning issued today for Lee and Whiteside County. The rest of us under a heat advisory. All of these alerts expire 9 p.m. Friday, meaning we have to really buckle in as we see that heat taking over as soon as today. Right now, 66 degrees in Rockford, plenty of sunshine, but it's also very humid out there. Your temperature is equal to your dew point. Lots of moisture in the air. Some of us even seeing a little fog develop further to the south. Otherwise, that sun will only make the temperatures feel even hotter. That's what you'll notice later today. A lot of us feeling like we're in the triple digits. Those within the excessive heat warning may feel up to 105, if not 110 at times. Make sure you're limiting time outside, and tomorrow also brings us another round of those triple-digit feel-like temperatures as we head into the end of our week. That may be dependent, however, on some of the active storms we're expecting. Today, though, we stay dry and sunny. Get ready for a very hot and humid day. 94 degrees for your temperature. Heat index values into the 100s, especially closer to I-88. Make sure you're practicing heat safety, and then we see a chance for strong storms as early as tonight. A 1 out of 5 for areas further to the northwest. Damaging wind gusts and hail will be the biggest concern. And really, if we see anything bubbling up, it'll be rather isolated. That's what you'll see even here on Future Track. Heading into tonight, here's about 2 a.m. Very isolated in nature as we see that same trend even closer to about 3 o'clock, getting close even to 4 a.m. after we stay dry. We may see morning convection, however, and that will determine on what we see into the afternoon. But overall, looks like most of us stay quiet later tonight. Definitely in for another warm one as temperatures only fall into those low to mid 70s. And then there's Friday's potential, a 2 out of 5. If those storms become severe, damaging wind gusts, hail, and even heavy rain will be a concern into tomorrow. However, like I mentioned, if we do see morning convection, that'll limit our potential later in the day and also keep us just a few degrees cooler. If we see nothing throughout the morning, we have a potential for strong storms to sweep into the area at about 6:30 here on Future Track. So into your evening, they continue to move through as we get closer to 8 and then start to exit and die down overnight and early into Saturday morning. That activity will also help cool us off. We're back into the mid 80s, a whole lot more comfortable into this weekend. So highly recommend to get outside throughout the weekend. The next few days, maybe not for long. Make sure you're practicing heat safety, staying cool, staying hydrated. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, you'll notice that we do end up hanging on to those 80s. Even into next week, it may get a little closer to the 90s with some low chances for active weather. Annie.